see some more of that transparency on some of these side panels. They've got all sorts of tiny little holes on those panels that are gonna allow for some type of airflow to come in inside the stadium. Be able to control that somehow. But it'll be interesting on a hot summer day how that fares. Now we're looking over by the NFL offices in the foreground, with the stadium behind that. And we got another roadway here, currently under construction. A little dirt scraping going on. And I guess they're some kind of rough grading this entry point. We've got a median here, which will probably have some type of landscaping, make it all look nice and green and pretty. Take another look here at these offices. That will not be completed until 2021. But you will have NFL Network moving its headquarters, I believe, which currently it's like over in the Culver City area, I think. Got concessions or suites, upper, lower. Some more future landscaping like they have a little further south toward Century Boulevard. And still have this wall here, and it's got a little window there as well. I don't know if that's permanent or perhaps it's some sort of a mock-up. And you got another roof panel over here off of the southwestern end of the stadium. Alright, I'm over here east of the stadium, looking over toward the west. I'll take a look at one of these panels here. ETFE work going on here. At those guys up there, yeah, you can see some of that wrapped up ETFE that they'll be undoing and covering up those 60 by 60 panels. And the southern tip, they're still working on since my last update. I saw some sparks coming over here. Oh yeah. Let's see, ETFE. Got some workers doing some kind of work on there. Shot of the performance venue. Still a lot of roof work to go. And you can see those slider panels there. They look like they're on some kind of a, they've got wheels on some kind of a track. They're kind of retractable. So, I'm gonna like pop open the roof, let out some hot air. I guess that's what they're gonna be for. They got all those panels still requiring ETFE to be pulled across. A nice clear day. Got the Forum there. Inglewood Hotel over there on Century Boulevard. Still a lot of barren space beyond the stadium, which I think be a hotel and some other residential living at a later date, much later date. Like probably next year. Overall view of the spaceship, I mean stadium. And come on, it does kind of look like a sleek, designed, kind of out of this world kind of spacecraft to me.